So guys, this is our almond butter, the end of it. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Please do not forget to hit the notification button so you do not miss anything. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. So guys, today we shall be teaching you how to make almond butter. I decided to do this because most of the time all we see in stores are peanut butters of all types and sizes, and because I want to get more less fatty options, I decided to start making other nut butters with less cholesterol. I might even start selling them if they turn out right. Now, before the process proper, let me educate you a little on the health benefits of almonds. Research has shown that almonds are highly nutritious and rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. So here are 9 benefits of almonds. They deliver a massive amount of nutrients. 1 ounce of almond serving contains fiber, protein, fat, vitamin E, manganese, magnesium, copper, vitamin B2 and phosphorus. So guys, we see that it is very nutritious. 2. It is loaded with antioxidants, which is good for the skin. 3. They are high in vitamins, which is good for the skin and cells also, and also for looking younger. 4. It assists to control blood pressure. 5. The manganese in it helps with blood pressure levels. 6. It can lower cholesterol levels. 7. It prevents harmful oxidation of LDL cholesterol, that is the cholesterol in charge of heart diseases. 8. It lowers your overall calorie intake. So if you're someone looking to reduce their calorie intake and lose weight or maintain their weight, almond is very important to add to your diet. 9. It is very effective for weight loss. So guys, now that we have gotten over the health benefits of almonds and the preliminary stuff, let us go into the process of making almond butter. Now guys, the first thing is to buy your almonds from a local store. Tear it open and pour the quantity you want to use into a bowl. The next thing you want to do is to roast it to activate the oils inside and have the almonds crispy. You can either use an oven to roast it or a frying pan. If you want to use an oven, put a parchment paper and spread the almond on it. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and bring it out. But if it's a frying pan, just spread the almond on the frying pan. Lower the heat to the lowest so that it doesn't burn. Then roast for 5 to 10 minutes until it is brown. Some people might want to have that semi-burnt taste, so they can leave it for a bit longer. In my case, I will be using a frying pan, and then next time I'm making another flavor of almond butter, I'll be using an oven and I'll do a video on that. So guys, let's get into it. So guys, this is my almond and I have put it in my frying pan. I'll be leaving it for 5 to 10 minutes, and within that time I'll be stirring it so that it will touch all parts of the almonds and not leave any part out. I'll be leaving it on low heat. I'll be leaving the heat very low so that everything doesn't get burnt. So guys, stay tuned. I'll show you when it gets brown. Okay guys, so we can see that the almond has gotten brown. Can we see the slight brownness on the almond? That will also give it its own unique and peculiar taste. So guys, the next thing we're going to be doing is putting our roasted almond into the food processor. Now, because I also want it to be sweet, we shall be putting dates, not the one in powdery form. We'll put in date, but we'll do another video showing how to make date sugar in powdery form. Here's my date and my almond in the food processor, and the next thing is to cover it and start grinding. So guys, now that it has started grinding, let's watch the process. Now when it has become paste, I shall be adding a spoon of cinnamon powder because I want this almond butter to be cinnamon flavored. Okay guys, so now that it's at a powdery consistency, we'll just use our spoon and turn it, and keep turning it until it becomes like paste, the actual paste that we want. Okay guys, so we can see that the powder has turned to paste, but it's still hard paste. Now that it's in this consistency, we shall be adding a spoon of cinnamon powder because I said earlier that I wanted my almond butter to be cinnamon flavored. Okay guys, now that we have it at the consistency that we want, we can put it in our jar and refrigerate it. Keep it in a cool place so it doesn't spoil. Okay, keep our butter going in. So guys, this is our almond butter. Thank you all for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, share, like, give us a thumbs up, and comment down below. Recommend our channel to your friends, and please share the link. Thank you very much for watching.